Education Minister Ezekwesili has called out Senate President Ezekwesili Acquabio for allegedly dodging efforts to clear his name in the sexual harassment case brought against him by suspended Kogi Central Senator Natasha uduaghan. According to Ezekwesili, Acquabio and the Senate have persistently blocked any opportunity for a fair and impartial investigation into the serious allegation made by uduaghan. In an interview and on social media, Ezekwesili expressed the frustration with how the Senate and its leadership have handled the matter, emphasizing that uduaghan, who accused Acquabio of sexual harassment, has been denied a fair hearing. uduaghan had claimed that after rejecting sexual advances from Acquabio, even in the front of her husband, she faced retaliatory actions from the Senate president. Ezekwesili posted on X, calling the Nigerian Senate and Senator Acquabio to tell Nigerians why they have persisted in denying their courageous colleague, Senator Natasha to the right to fair hearing and impartial investigation of her sexual harassment petition against the Senate president. Ezekwesili asked why Senator Acquabio obstructs every opportunity for an impartial Senate inquiry into the matter. Why is he dodging the opportunity that can help him prove his innocence of the serious allegation leveled by his female colleague? She wrote. The former education minister concluded her statement by saying, "The Senate cannot pretend to be moving on regarding this case. Not at all. This injustice cannot be sustained at all. We'll continue to keep a close eye on the story." Drop your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.